Well, good morning everyone, and welcome back to your favourite Model T Ford channel. So it's just past 7 o'clock in the morning, and just as you can see the gate behind me I've just unlocked, it's time to head off to Motorfest and enjoy the car show there today and celebrate Liz's 100th birthday. So I've got the T warmed up in the shed, so let's get her out and hit the road. Let's hit the road, get to Motorfest and celebrate Liz's 100th birthday. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. I think the petrol engine, or the first petrol powered car, was the Benz motor wagon that came out in 1886, and a lot of cars that followed it sort of adapted that sort of design. Beautiful thing about the Model T, it was the first car in the world to be mass produced on an assembly line. So a lot of people think that Henry Ford invented the assembly line. He didn't. He just adapted it from the slaughterhouses. So you'd have cattle and that hanging up and moving around and being stripped down. And he thought, well, if it works for cattle, why not for cars? And so the assembly line was born, and he went from building it took about 12.5 hours to build one Model T in the beginning, when it was a group of about 10 or 12 guys working on each car. And then by the mid-teens, early 20s, had that down to one car coming off the line every 40 seconds or so. colour you want as long as it's black. And the reason for that, the black paint was the cheapest and it was also the fastest drying, so they could churn out more cars. Yeah, a lot of people wave to you, and yeah, it's always good to see the smiles on people's faces when they can see a car that's that old.
As you came in, on the left-hand side, the back side of the road, there is a car celebrating its 100th birthday. So it's a 100-year-old Model T Ford. And Mitch owns the car. He loves